everyone, happy Sendtember, a month where climbers like me gain some motivation to train and dream of sending hard. This Sendtember looks a lot different from what I had imagined. It's been 6 months since I stepped foot in a climbing gym, so I felt like reminiscing. Today I'm going to break down my first 5 V8s. These are V8s from my home gym, the Peak of Fremont. I started climbing in July 2015 at the Peak and set my first V8 there in June 2018. When I first started my V8 number hunting journey, I would go to other local gyms that were known for their soft setting, but I didn't end up getting my first V8 at one of those gyms. I got it at the Peak, where I could work through the moves in multiple sessions. I'm still not a V8 climber though, and every V8 I've done at the Peak has been a multi-day effort and something that you could say is my style. So as you watch the video, see if you notice the common thing about all 5 of these problems. This one holds a special place in my heart, my very first V8. The moves are all doable. I fell going for the last move quite a few times because I kept trying to jump for it from this position. It wasn't until I watched someone else do it that I realized I just had to take my left foot off, control the swing, and then I could go for it quite easily. Okay, this one I deleted the original footage, so luckily I had posted it on Instagram. Honestly, I think this problem was quite soft. The crux for me was the last move, that awkward jump to the finish. I flew off quite a few times before I actually stuck it. And then when I did it, my camera had flopped over, so I had to do it again. This is the only V8 that I've actually done twice. This problem was so fun. I loved every move. Starts off with this kind of typewriter shoulder move. The sloper was not bad, and I really enjoyed this toe hook switch to a heel hook. Here I'm setting up for the big move. And I fell here so many times. This big move, I knew I could do it. I could do it in isolation, but the trouble for me really was linking it from the beginning. So when I stuck it here, I knew I could finish the problem. I just had to go slow and make sure I didn't blow it. one too. This part was the most exciting and really unique setting. This was my favorite move because it just looked and felt so cool. But the transition from the toe hook to the right hand was also the crux for me.
Oh.
I tried a couple things. Double toe and then reaching out.
Take your time, work it out, come on.
I tried double toe, dropping the left leg, putting it on the foot chip and reaching out. I also tried double toe, dropping the left leg to dangle and reaching out. Just sometimes the toe felt super solid and sometimes I just couldn't keep it on and was constantly like micro adjusting and making it worse. I want to thank Nelson for his sound effects and cheering here. Really great cameraman, really great camera work.
That cameraman stance. Easy money. Easy money. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
This V8 was probably the hardest. I fell on every single move after the first. I like crimps, but these crimps were just the worst. Small, tiny, bad crimps, and body positioning was super important. The last move wasn't a given either, and it was just so frustrating to fly off at the very last move. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know in the comments below which one you thought was the coolest climb.